What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I want to show you how to manually change the IP address on your iPhone or any other iOS device. So first off, we're going to go into our iPhone. I'm going to scroll over to Settings, and if you look right in the top section, you will see Wi-Fi. I'm going to click on that, and from here you will locate your network. I'm already connected to my network, MacPad, so I'm going to hit the I next to the network, and from there you will see IPv4 addresses. Now you need to take note of your router address and your subnet mask, so because we're going to need to enter those numbers later on. So at the top of IPv4 address you will see configure IP. Right now it's set to automatic, but if you want to set your own IP address, you're going to go and click on manual, and I'm going to set my own. Now, router, go ahead and do that 192.168.1.1, my subnet mask, and I'm going to make this IP address 192.168.1.57, okay, and hit save, and there we go. I'm already connected to my network, but I gave it an IP address within the range or the scope that my network has. So that's how you change the IP address on your iOS device. If you thought this video was helpful and you like my content, give it a like, subscribe to my channel for more content and teaching you how to Apple without the E.